Hi guys, this is Miss Sangram and you are watching Career Adda with Sangram. Today we have a new job update for all the freshers and experienced graduate. The important part of this job update is that this job will be a permanent work from home job. It means you can start and you can continue your day-to-day work from your home location only. No need to visit any location. Also, this job is for the freshers graduate and any graduate can apply for this role. So, if you want to get all the details regarding the job, I am requesting you, please do not skip any part of this video. In this video, I will explain how you can apply for this job and how you can get the call from the HR team. So, please stay tuned with the video and check all the detailed parts so that you can prepare your resume, you can apply for this job and you can easily clear this work from home job. So now, without wasting any time, let's jump into the screen and let's discuss about the job. So guys, as you can see my screen, I have opened one job portal. The company name is Canonical, which is a leading provider of open source softwares and operating systems to the global enterprise and technology markets. The job role is named as business development representative. So the students or freshers who are interested into sales and marketing jobs, they can apply for this role. It's a global opportunity, so you can expect a good salary. The base salary will be 30 to 35,000 per month based on your skills and experience. Okay. And as it is a sales job, you will get lot of incentives based on your performances. So it will be also a work from home based opportunity, so no need to travel anywhere, but if required for conference you need to travel. Okay, here they have provided some details about the company. Below they have mentioned some roles and responsibilities, like you have to work with outbound sales and marketing campaigns. You need to research information about prospective customers. You need to pitch into the customers for the product so that they can purchase the products. You need to collaborate across multiple teams and stakeholders. You need to help define the process and policies for the team, and if required you need to travel for the events and for sales pitch. Here they have mentioned some skills as well. If you have these skills, you can mention in your resume. As it is a sales job, they are actually focusing on your communication skill, your confidence, your skills on discussing with the customers or convincing the customers. Okay, so these will be the primary skills in your resume. And if you good in digital marketing campaign, advertisements, then that will be also added advantages for you. You can mention those in your resume. Below they have mentioned some benefits. You can go through with the benefits, and this will be a great opportunity for all the freshers who want to start their career as a salesperson or as a marketing management team. So that will be a great opportunity for you, and as it is a global opportunity, you should apply for this role. So that's all about the job opportunity. Also, I'll provide you this link in the video description so that you can go through with all the details. And after that, if you are interested, you can just click on the apply button, which you can find below to the page. If you have any doubt, any query, you can ask me in the comment section. And if you are new to this channel, you can subscribe the channel to get regular job updates. Thank you for watching. Take care and bye. All about today's job update. If you find anything informative in this video, please do a like and subscribe to this channel and support us. Also, if you have any query or any kind of discussion, you can follow me in Instagram. My Instagram ID will be present in the description box, so you can directly DM me for any kind of discussion. Also, I will provide all the job links in the description box. You can directly redirect to the apply page in the job portal. So for today, I am signing out. Take care. Bye.